AI art has grown in popularity significantly over the last couple of years. There's a lot of interest in the creation of AI art, and there is a market of hungry buyers who are willing to pay a good price for the right art. From self-driving cars and digital assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa, to virtual personal assistants on computers, smartphones, and other devices, and even smart home appliances, AI is playing an increasingly important role in the way we live and work. But it is critical that your mindset is right and that you develop the necessary skills to be able to make lots of money from AI art. Most people that start with AI art make a lot of mistakes and never successfully sell their work. You need to learn the techniques to create stunning AI art that the market wants and sell it for a high price. You don't need any artistic talent or experience to create AI art, but you need to be guided through everything step by step. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you will learn exactly what you need to do to be successful with AI art. You will learn proven techniques to create the highest quality AI art that the market is looking for. You will learn how you can sell AI art for a good profit. You will learn the best AI art platforms to create your art. You will learn things you need to consider before selling AI art, plus a whole lot more. To make it easy, I put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. This is how you make lots of money from AI art. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. What is AI art? The benefits of creating AI art. Prepare to create stunning AI art that will sell. The best AI art platforms to create your art. Getting started with Midjourney. Use the best text prompts for excellent AI art results. Things you need to consider before selling AI art. How to sell your AI art online. AI art best practices, plus a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to make lots of money from AI art. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to know exactly what you need to do to be successful with AI art. You want to know proven techniques to create the highest quality AI art that the market is looking for. You want to know how you can sell AI art for a good profit. You want to know the best AI art platforms to create your art. You want to know things you need to consider before selling AI art, plus a whole lot more. Does this sound like exactly what you need, but maybe your next question is, how much? If you are going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. And it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, cheat sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy to follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, mind map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need. Fast action bonus number 3, resource guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on how to make lots of money from AI art, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm giving you up to 30 days to decide if this is for you. If for any reason, or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email, and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment, no questions asked. Click the button below now to get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you make lots of money from AI art. I'll see you on the inside.